big living space in here. These are really unique because they actually allow short-term rentals in here. Built in 2022, everything's only within a few years old. This is a property that can check a lot of boxes. Guys, this is a great primary bedroom. Big, light, bright, got a lot of natural sunlight coming off this corner, and we've got very nice crown molding up there above. This is a big bonus in this property compared to other ones in the neighborhood. This third level, you know, and it's nothing crazy, but it's so clean and it's new. What's up, guys? Brandon Greenplate here. We're out here off Spanish Wells Road at 44 Pink Sand, our newest listing. This is a special one. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, this neighborhood is called Sutherland Point. This is 44 Pink Sand, listed at $624,900. It's 2,056 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 baths. And guys, it was built in 2022. These are really unique because they actually allow short-term rentals in here. So the versatile use that you can do with these properties, let's say you're a traveling nurse. Let's say you're somebody that is here full-time. Mostly residential. You do have some people that rent these out, but it gives you a lot of versatility. Again, built in 2022, everything's only within a few years old. And to find a 4-bedroom on Hilton Head, easy access, down to the south end, to the north end, to Mid-Island, Spanish Wells Club. Guys, this is an awesome value, and I can't wait to show you a little bit more about it. You got this big living space in here. Eat-in kitchen. You do have a nice back patio right here as well. You can screen these in, and it has a garage. So, you know, you really have a lot of different factors that people are looking to check box-wise that this property offers. The average price point for a single family home on Hilton Head's $1 million, guys. This is $624,900. This is a property that can check a lot of boxes, and there's a lot going on up here because there's 3 levels. All right, guys, this 44 Pink Sand is the biggest floor plan in all of these homes on this street. So this is actually 3 levels. It has the most amount of square footage. We're on the first level right now. This is the first bedroom. Got some nice crown molding. You've got big closet, you know, and it's nothing crazy, but it's so clean and it's new. And that's what we love about it at a great value. So this is the first bedroom on the second floor. Let's walk over. This is my favorite bedroom. So this bedroom right here, guys, our seller, let's just say she likes her wardrobe, and she decided to turn this room into a big additional closet. What I'll say about this is another bedroom, same size as that other one, with another nice sized closet space. All right, so coming out of this second bedroom on the second floor, at the end of the hall, you have a huge bathroom, double vanity sink, shower tub insert. Guys, I don't even think this bathroom's ever been used or very rarely used. So that's the beauty of a property in 2022. If we keep going around the corner here, obviously there's stairs we came up. This is where the washer and dryer is. That's the stairs to the third floor. And now I'm walking in the primary bedroom. Let's check out the bathroom in here first. So this is, again, double vanity sink. You do have a nice tile shower behind us. Let me hit the light. And you have your toilet on a separate room closed off by a door. So very clean, and it is a fantastic value. So moving into the sleeping space, first and foremost, you have a huge closet right here off to the right when you walk in. But additionally, guys, this is a great primary bedroom. Big, light, bright, got a lot of natural sunlight coming off this corner, and we've got very nice crown molding up there above. This is kind of a cool little bonus, guys. So you have this bonus nook right here off of the primary where if you wanted this to be an additional closet space, if you wanted this to be an office / put a desk in here, or if you just wanted a creative space to paint, draw, or do whatever is your fancy, you've got an awesome bonus space right here in the primary bedroom, guys. This is really nice. All right, guys, again, this being the biggest floor plan, a lot of these properties, there's actually another one listed right now that does not have this third level. So walking up to the third level, look how cool this space is. You know, imagine being a kid or just having an additional hobby room. But what's really cool about it is it's actually a true bedroom. You've got big closets, you've got a full bathroom up here, you've got attic space, and it is tall ceilings. So this is a huge bonus to have in this property. Again, 4th full bedroom, third full bath. You do have a half bath on the first floor, so that is 4 bed, 3.5 bath. And this space up here, guys, it makes a world of difference compared to, let's just say, the other properties that are listed or have sold in here that do not have this third level. This is a big bonus. And again, guys, this is over 2,000 square feet. This is a townhome, single family, fee simple, you own the ground, you own the exterior. Small little HOA fee that takes care of some exterior landscaping as well as some other things. But this is a big bonus in this property compared to other ones in the neighborhood. This third level with the full bath and with the extra sized bedroom. All right, stepping off the main living space, guys, this is this patio out back. You can screen this in. It's very private back here. And it is a space where you can kind of get away, you can get some fresh air, and ultimately it's a nice bonus to have, especially off the main living. If you have a small dog or something like that that needs to be let out quickly, this is a really easy way to do so. One final thing I do want to note that is really cool about this property is, so we're on Spanish Wells Road here, and if you keep going down Spanish Wells Road, there is the Spanish Wells Club that you can join that club very affordably and be a member of a private club here on the island. But if you don't want to join the club, you can walk the beach down there off of Spanish Wells, beautiful sunset, so there is some cool amenities. But I hope you guys enjoyed walking through 44 Pink Sand. Again, listed at $624,900. This is one of, if not the best values on Hilton Head. Versatility of use, new construction, and just a lot of bang for the buck when it comes to space, guys. Give me a call if you want more information on this property or have questions. 843-422-4792. Brandon with the Greenplate Group, brokered by XP Realty. See you guys next time.